Hello friends, welcome to CAD 360. In this tutorial you will learn how to move drawing to origin in AutoCAD 2018. We have here a drawing and we are going to move it to the origin. So first of all, check its location, ID, enter, and then click on the center point of the circle and it will show you the X and Y and Z coordinate of this drawing. Okay, if you want to move this to the origin, then activate the move command, press enter, then select the object, press enter, and then specify the base point, and then you have to specify the destination point. So our destination is the origin, so type X value 0, comma Y value 0, then press enter. Next Z, enter, E, enter. So it will show you that your object is moved to the origin. Then if you want to check the location, then click on the circle center point and then you can verify that X, Y and Z is 0, so it is on the origin. In this way you can move your drawing to the origin in AutoCAD 2018. That's all for this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe for more tutorials.